Opening scene. Animated title screen with code visuals. Narrator, voiceover. Welcome to this quick and informative video on two key aspects of software development: debug monitors and the programming environment. Understanding these tools is essential for every programmer aiming to write, test, and maintain high-quality code. Let's break it down. Scene 1. Title card. What is a programming environment? Narrator, voiceover. Let's start with the programming environment. A programming environment is the workspace or platform where software development takes place. It includes all the tools and components developers need to write, edit, compile, debug, and run their code. On-screen animation. Show a modern IDE with File Explorer, Code Window, Output Console, and Terminal. Narrator. Typical components of a programming environment include a text editor or IDE like VS Code, Eclipse, or PyCharm, compilers or interpreters for code execution, debugging tools, version control systems like Git, build tools, and terminal access. Whether you're working in Python, C++, or JavaScript, a solid programming environment increases productivity and reduces errors. Scene 2. Title card. What are debug monitors? Narrator, voiceover. Now let's move on to debug monitors, a critical tool in the debugging process. A debug monitor is a software tool that helps developers observe and control the execution of a program while it's running. It provides visibility into what's happening inside the code. Step by step. On-screen visual. Show breakpoints, variable inspection, memory view, and call stack in a debugger window. Narrator. With a debug monitor, you can set breakpoints to pause execution at specific lines, inspect variables and memory content in real time, step through code line by line, track function calls, and the call stack, catch exceptions or segmentation faults. Debug monitors are essential for finding bugs, understanding program flow, and ensuring correctness, especially in complex applications. Scene 3. Real-world example. IDE with debug monitor. Narrator, voiceover. Let's look at a real-world example using an IDE like Visual Studio Code. You write your code in the editor, and when it's time to test, you hit Run and Debug. The debugger launches your application and lets you step through each line. Watch how variables change. Identify the exact location of a bug. On-screen demo. Optional. Zoom into a VS Code debugging session, showing breakpoints, watches, and console outputs. Narrator. This is much more effective than using print statements alone, especially for large code bases or embedded systems. Scene 4. Summary. Why these matter. Narrator, voiceover. To recap, a programming environment provides the tools and space where developers build software efficiently. A debug monitor is your inside look at how code executes, helping you trace bugs, step through logic, and fix errors. Together, they form the backbone of a productive software development workflow. Closing scene. Calm music. Call to action. Narrator, voiceover. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more software development content, and don't forget to leave your questions in the comments. On-screen text. Like, subscribe, comment below. Up next, breakpoints and watch expressions explained.